Are you ready to discover the secret to making yourself irresistible? Whether you're looking for love or just want to increase your overall appeal, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be exploring the science behind what makes someone attractive and the different factors that contribute to their secret attraction. From physical appearance to intangible qualities, we'll be delving into the key elements that make someone irresistible. So, sit back, relax, and let's uncover the science behind your secret attraction. First and foremost, research shows that physical appearance does play a role in attraction. Symmetry, healthy skin, and a clear complexion all indicate that a person is healthy and strong, which is a natural indicator of good genes. Additionally, the way you carry yourself, your posture, and your body language all play a role in how others perceive you. Confidence and a positive attitude can make a person seem more attractive, while negativity and poor posture can detract from their appeal. Another factor that can make someone irresistible is their personality. People who are kind, empathetic, and have a sense of humor tend to be more attractive to others. This is because these traits indicate that they are good communicators and will likely be good partners. Another important aspect of attraction is scent. Studies have shown that certain scents can increase the appeal of a person to others. For example, the scent of lavender has been shown to increase the attractiveness of women to men. Finally, social status and financial stability can also play a role in attraction. People are naturally drawn to those who have resources and can provide for them, which is why many people are drawn to successful and wealthy individuals. One of these is confidence. People who are confident in themselves and their abilities tend to be more attractive to others. This is because confidence exudes an aura of power and security, which is appealing to many people. Another intangible quality that makes someone irresistible is their ability to be genuine. People who are authentic and true to themselves tend to be more attractive to others because they exude a sense of trust and reliability. Additionally, having a positive outlook on life is another attractive quality. People who are optimistic and have a positive outlook on life tend to be more appealing to others because they radiate a sense of happiness and positivity. Lastly, being a good listener can also make someone irresistible. People who listen and pay attention to others tend to be more attractive because they show that they are interested in the other person and care about their thoughts and feelings. In conclusion, attraction is not just about physical appearance, but it also encompasses intangible qualities such as confidence, genuineness, positivity, and being a good listener. By focusing on these qualities, you can increase your overall appeal to others and become more irresistible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on all things science.